So our district right now is in a period of transition, evolution. Last year, we brought a big group of people together to create a Cardinals journey. And through that process, it just made sense for us to look at our mission and vision statements. Both of those have been recently updated as well. Our new mission statement is, we know our students' stories and build upon their strengths to inspire them locally so they are prepared globally. And our vision statement is engage, empower, and evolve. And so as we started to implement the Cardinals journey, our new mission, our new vision, we kept looking at our district logo, especially after our communications team has kind of upgraded and updated our elementary school mascots, etc. There was good interest in taking a look at our district logo, and we could not be more pleased with the results.
So when we began our logo project, we made a very intentional decision. We chose to take our logo refresh in a different direction and make it student-led.
We are so excited that we were able to really involve 4 of our high school students, 4 students who are involved in our CAPS program.
A big part of our logo is like having a star, or like getting into like places and having a goal and getting there and getting things done.
The students loved the original design and wanted to strengthen it and not replace it. So one piece of feedback was they felt the star looked broken and instead envisioned it as a shooting star representing our North Star. The new logo represents a star breaking free from the current pillars and moving upward. The star represents our students and also forms an arrow symbolizing growth, direction, and momentum. The star itself has been part of previous district logos, and students felt strongly about carrying that forward as part of our identity. The 3 pillars remain represented through the hexagon shape, which conveys a sense of being progressive, strong, formal, and grounded.
As the kids were describing it, as our board was sort of hearing about it for the first time, we heard words like it's powerful, it's meaningful, it's forward-leaning, it's future-focused.
I hope that when people see that, wherever they see it, they get that message from it and they feel more confident about maybe bringing a new student into the district.
Our students know what they want. They are the ones in our schools every day, and they understand our culture and story in a very powerful way.
It's been a great opportunity to see all the logos, and it's really made me think really hard about what we are as a community and what we value. And I think a logo really represents that.
I feel really confident, I don't really feel any uncertainty at all. I think we have a really strong team.
I've just been really grateful to be involved with this. Having a student voice in something that's as important as core to this district as its logo, something that really represents it, so that's been super awesome to sit and watch all the things that are really going into it. I also think it's just great to see how impactful logos can really be, all the aspects of what Middleton strives for, what Cross Plains strives for, what the elementaries are trying to do, middle schools all the way up to high school. Seeing how it all builds up into this one logo has been really fulfilling to me, I think.
There's obviously different opinions between someone who works here or is a parent of someone who's here and the students. And I think the student opinion is really important. So it's cool that the ambassadors have an opportunity to represent the students in something as big as redesigning our logo for the whole district. And so when we were looking through those, we got to see which ones kind of spoke to us the most as students and ones that we thought represented the district the best.
We relied on our brilliant students, and they really delivered, of course, with the help of our very skilled communications team.
In the end, this logo represents student voice, pride, and purpose. It tells the story of where we've been, who we are, and where we're going, guided by the students who live this journey every day.
I really hope it's something that just connects with a ton of students. I really hope it's something that not just one type of person can really see something in or another type of person, but it's something we can all just collectively look at and appreciate and see something in ourselves in.
I think one thing, just keeping in mind the diverse community that we have when talking about showing Middleton-Cross Plains as, this district that is the best really across the state. We really want to show a logo that represents that and really, has a strong foundation, and that'll really help us succeed.
It's going to set us apart to have a logo that really sticks out and really explains our goals efficiently and nicely. So I hope that, you know, parents and all the people that see it are able to feel that impact and feel more confident about the district in general.
I hope that they see it on a paper on the wall and like, oh, that's Middleton-Cross Plains Area School District. Like, I hope they see that the values that we have here are strong, that this is a place that they would want to be, that they know if it's a parent would support their child, if it's someone who works here, that the people they're going to work with are good people. Like, I hope they just see that the community here is just on a different level than anything you might find somewhere else.